Hello, I'm Emma Gilbert-Smith and I'm here today to answer some questions about Making Tax Digital or MTD, which is due to come in from April 2019. It will apply to VAT reporting and record keeping only. For other taxes, we have been told that MTD won't be mandated until 2020 at the earliest. On the 28th of February, the regulations for MTD came into play and the 1st of April 2019 start date was confirmed, so it is full steam ahead for MTD. A year-long pilot of MTD for VAT will begin in April of this year, but right now we seem to have more questions about MTD than we have answers. Thankfully, we do have answers to some questions, and for today I've put together a list of my top 5 MTD questions frequently asked by accountants in practice. Firstly, who exactly will be mandated to comply with MTD requirements from April 2019? Well, MTD will apply to businesses with a taxable turnover of above the VAT registration threshold. This could include a sole trader, a landlord, a partnership or a limited company. VAT exempt turnover won't be counted for these purposes. In short, only compulsorily registered businesses will be required to comply with MTD. Voluntarily VAT registered businesses will have a choice. They could comply with MTD requirements, or they could continue to calculate their VAT return figures on a spreadsheet and manually type the VAT return box figures into VAT online services. This leads on to my second frequently asked question. It's commonly known that to comply with MTD requirements, typing figures into VAT online services will no longer be sufficient. Transaction level records will need to be kept in MTD compatible software, and that software will need to be used to transmit the VAT return figures to HMRC. But many have heard that spreadsheets can still be used as part of MTD, and they're asking how spreadsheets will be MTD compliant. Well, they're right. Spreadsheets can be used as they are a digital record, but businesses must still send a summary of the information in the spreadsheet to HMRC using functional compatible software. You see, there must be a digital link between the spreadsheet figures and the information that is being sent to HMRC. A spreadsheet alone will not be enough. But we are being told that bridging software is being developed by software providers, and this software could link to Excel spreadsheets and provide HMRC with the required VAT return figures. We don't know how much this bridging software will cost or the extent of the range of software options that will be available. But HMRC have said that software will be available at a range of price points, and some software will be available in time for the start of the MTD for VAT pilot in April of 2018. Many have asked about adjustments, for example, partial exemption calculation adjustments or adjustments for fuel scale charges. These adjustments are commonly calculated on a spreadsheet, so my third question is, should such adjustments be calculated within the MTD compatible software? Well, HMRC have said that the adjustment figure can be typed manually into software, but they do recommend that there is a digital link between the software and the spreadsheet calculation, as this will reduce errors. My fourth question relates to timing and is, how will the staging date of 1st of April 2019 work in practice? Okay. VAT return periods commencing on or after the 1st of April 2019 will be affected. So a business with a VAT quarter that begins on the 1st of March 2019 will not have to comply with MTD for that quarter. However, their next VAT quarter, beginning on the 1st of June 2019, will be the first quarter for which they will have to comply with MTD. MTD is a big ask for small businesses and their agents, for some more so than others. So my fifth question is, will there be any exemptions from MTD? What about those who don't have the necessary knowledge or facilities to use software? Well, HMRC have said that the existing exemptions for the digitally excluded will continue to apply. Those who are unable to use computers because of religious grounds, age, disability or remoteness of location will, with the agreement of HMRC, be able to give their VAT return figures over the phone. Now, I can't predict the future, but there's a chance that the number of people claiming to be digitally excluded could increase due to the introduction of MTD. Those 5 questions are just a few of the questions that we are able to answer at the moment, but our team is keeping up to date with HMRC's MTD related announcements, and we will be using the most up-to-date information in our courses and products. If you wish to find out more about MTD, please follow the on-screen link that you'll see in a moment.